Welcome to how to auto answer calls on iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to auto answer calls on iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up settings, okay, and then you will go into the accessibility, and then from here tap on touch, and then if you basically scroll down here, what you're gonna have to do, you just need to tap on call audio routing, tap on it, and then here you can see we have this option where it says auto answer calls. So just tap on it and then tap, and then basically just on this option, and here it says the duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. So the minimum is 3 seconds and the maximum is say 60 seconds. Okay, so now when someone's call you, okay, then the call then the call will ring for 5 seconds, and after that the call will auto answered after 5 seconds. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.